Hello students, now welcome back to the class again. Now this is the fourth and the last video session class of chapter number 7, more on MS Excel 2010. Now in the last video session class we have done the resizing rows and columns. Now let's continue our class with the next topic, that is the formatting in a worksheet. Now what is formatting? That I've already told you. Formatting habsi kaino koina phajanabay damakta text ama number any font ama isam samno font ama koina phajanaba color sangba font size amasung font face masak hongdokpa duga font size hengathanba background color semba haibna singna simjini koina formatting data in a worksheet formatting haizin ko. Okay, let's see now. Let's open MS Excel. It is Microsoft Excel, and let us first see that changing the font and its size, changing the font face and font size. Now I've already opened an MS Excel here. Now we are now working in sheet number 1. Okay, suppose I will write something here. It is, I'll write as Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna Mission School. What I told you about that changing the size of the column and changing the size of the rows. Now you can directly change it like this. Now Ramakrishna Mission School. Ramakrishna Mission School. Now how will you change the font face? Now this is known as the font face and this is known as the font size. This is now font ki masak hongdokpa je script ki masak hongdokpa je na koina font face haiba sisna magi chawbagi changje koina chawhanba pihanba tawbasina sina font size haiba in font face in font size. Now let's see here how to change the font face and font size. Now I have to just click here, ready to select, then you can choose the font face from here. The font face they can be varied, or else I'll do one thing, I'll cut this from here and I'll paste it here. Then I paste it lage kayino hairgadi sida hoin thokpa matamda sidagi lawrani na font face e to sumai thamba matam mouse ki pointer je pusala simpa thamdamna sigina masak sumai tawi sina masak sumai tawi sina masak. Okay, now you can change whatever font you want from here. There are lots of font face here. You can scroll down with the mouse. See here, and apamda segidum khandi various mana mouse ki pointer sina script sigi mathaka thamba matanda font face sigi mathaka thamba matanda sona kan size sida mathak to all kan ang apamda segidum hongbiga segidum yenga rama make pami. So many font face are here. The mayamum lele ang apamba segi khandi various. Lucida handwriting sina handwriting ni mongda desu mayam lele si font ki masak maming singjin ningjang pitare na apamba font face kra ningjang ga na hayeng season ning matamda yam thuna sat apply to ya na de makta ang sida phajaba ang sima di pamjei haiba font face to maming do ningjang ga thamaga di hayeng na thiba matamda live haji lucida font face lucida di L ni LDLU ni lucida handwriting si je thamnaga na si sida tapon click to birani si lucida font face hoye duga sida akoina lucida font face idu capital ngata letter ngata lai duga akoina se jo kai mathak ta ma yawbina Algerian je sida hek nam tamda akoina small letter de e resu keyboard ta capital letter le ma ngakani. Okay, now this is how you change the font face. You click again. Now font face has been changed. Now if you don't want this, you can choose another font face. You can just to the right of this, there is arrow down here. You just click on arrow down there will be a drop down list here. The drop down list containing so many font faces. Now see Pamagasu. You can choose whatever font you like from here. Now suppose if you want this, I can click here. Pamagadi sa click over. Now this is Vescabil old here. The click over any font face all. Now how to change the font size? This is about the font face. This is script masak to on begin. This na. Do ako na font sina face ni font face size na. Masak to script to on ba. Handwriting my style do. The font size the chohan gi pihan gi haragadi. This is the font size. Is not. Now when I bring the pointer here, say the font size and change the font size. Okay, you can just directly click the font size you want. 11, this is 11, default 11. I just click here 15 and you can press enter from the keyboard. Keyboard again enter period minus 15 and use well. Or you can just click down. You can just click on the arrow down here. Now you can see a list of font sizes here. A drop down list containing font sizes. Font key sizing. Now you can preview here. Preview here just minus 48 na cam sorry 72 na cam sorry. 20, this is 20, this is 18, this is 16, this is 14. Now you didn't see 1 2 3 here. It starts from 8 here, but if you want 1 also, you can directly write here study 1 2 3 say 7 below the 8 how we go. Other than say 1 pamaga this is the 1 but not click to enter keyboard. So this is font size 1 is. Then set 2 pamaga so you can just click here 2 like this and press enter. Adu 2 layer khara sum saholake haragadi is a choba maga capital letter increase font size on na bane a cho capital letter a cho na capital letter a masa na font size decrease on 3 and hingala laga sumaya click dot chahol la web sa or pithan ge na sumaya pithan la je increase decrease the font sizes from here, or you can just click on the arrow down here to display the list of font sizes here, and you can just directly click here. If you want it to be 20, the font size it to be 20, you can click directly here. The font size will be the font size is changed to 20. The font size is 20. The change over to there. Maya hong as well. Direct click to maya 14 or decrease over here. I take here na decrease over here. This is I take here na pitha over here. This is I take low here na kaya nga di drop down list da I take ang yaw but you can directly manually click 1 here and press enter from the keyboard. So 1 directly laga keyboard tagi enter pro this 1 lakh ne. So the 5 yaw de 5 iraga 5 years enter pro 5. So when we have it I take it then say the 72 like font size 72 dagi hen makha amte yaw de font size ching na ju yaw de da. But 72 the hen na pame nang hai so 80 pame you can click here 80 and you can press enter 80 sama sama cho hala jai, or you can click here 100 cho this no 100 sama cho hala jai decrease over the 70 ga set 2 dagi lakh ne 72 na quite chong le se da so se chinda ju makha yaw de 72 na quite chong le 8 na quite dagi pa, but when you manually keyboard tagi enter to di 72 de hen do jai duga natragana 8 tagi hen pitha ju sipai de. Okay, this is how we change the font face and font face the script sigi masak si one ba and over script font size is on the end was the to. Now what about the changing the font style? Font style is not only command change so font style have the no this is non is the font style can also bold when hagati dark when the then it click hagana hand bas my or underline makhalas underline to is my underline to click to rakanda sangang ga lazy red or ga lazy bold so it clicks to underline to loina season na rehain seda. Now if you want to remove this bold italic underline again, there also you can just select which text you have just applied for, just select here. And if you want to deselect this, you have to select the word or the sentence or the paragraph, whichever you want to deselect, and you just click here. Now bold has been removed, italic has been removed, now underline has been removed. Bold, italic, underline loin lौथोꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ click ꯇꯧꯔꯒ bold, italic, underline ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯥꯞꯄ. Okay, this is how we apply the font styles. That is the bold, italic, underline apply to the mind to it. Now I'll bring this to the normal like this. 11 the PSE. Now when I change the height of this row, see here, Krishna Mission School Thaiji Sigi box Sigi Makhada le Makhada Oiromda Napaga Makharom the laser. This is known as the left alignment. But if you want to make it into the center, you can click here center. Just click here and make it center. Which is na horizontally alignment. Left, right, right left na pe, right on the straight over, center but this is horizontally horizontal alignment hadi phaina yet on the oil on the but what about the vertical alignment? Vertical hadi mathakina yam hanga le makhal loina play to mayai le hangi hagadi is na vertical alignment like this. Sigi box sigi direct mayai ta hangi hagadi center the horizontally as well as vertically. Okay, horizontal jo hele, vertical jo middle hele. This is known as the changing the alignment. Now if you want to make it to the side side is minus or right side or left side like this, or to the top the napper bottom the napper minus center center minus. This is how we change the alignment. Changing the alignment. Now how to merge and center. Merge to center. Suppose I enter a number here 123 number enter to video. Now I want to merge this C cell and C3 and D3. C3 ga D3 ga si I merge to hadi C3 ga D3 ga si cell amakta ko ni ohen khalaje. If I want to merge this cell number C3 and D3, you have to select this both the cells you have to select, and this is known as the merge and center. Merge to by the combined over and center when merge to C3 ga D3 ga merge to cell one. Now C3 and D3 cells has been combined and it's become one cell only. Okay, and the number is in the middle also. That is why it is known as merge and center. It will merge and the contents of the cells will be put in the middle. Merge and cell, merge and center. Merge and center is a ani cell and the function gami duga laiba cell sigi contents ju maya thambi hai. But this is horizontal alignment only. If you want a vertical alignment, also you have to click here. Up down jadi mathang makha ju mayai de le duga left right to mayai de le. Okay, this is known as the alignment and this is known as the merge and center. If you want to merge only merge and merge them to center you can click here. The arrow down, you have to click the arrow down here and you can merge cells here. And if you want to unmerge just click here. Now cell merge to okay, next is if you want to put a border, apply border to the surrounding a border hapsan gain khalaje. Hide table lama same khalo suppose I write here suppose something right here, serial number, name, class, roll number. Maya name will be a little, serial number will be very short. That is why you can arrange the column like this, so a little smaller like this. Serial number name will be a little bigger, so you can make like this. So hollow name there. Class is okay. Class is any. Roll number is okay. Now if I write here serial number 1, serial number 2, serial number 3. Now let's do up to 3 students only. Tom, Jerry, Donald, Haji. The class is, suppose this is also class 5, this is also class 5, this is also class 5. Roll number is suppose 23, 12, 17. Si table lama semain same ko niya. Table lama same kana si table di ko niya print out when we go for print preview here. Now it looks like this. Table ki si border ram tayo print out kana semain thola kadene. So if you want to make it a table ki style hangezi, what you have to do, you have to use a border. Now select the cells whichever you are writing here and reverse cells into select over. Then you have to go here, bottom border. That is, this is for applying the border. Now currently we are in bottom border. If you just simply click here, bottom border to. So you have to go to this arrow down here and you have to click here all border. Border to. Now if you go to the print preview here, again print preview here, semuanya table di mong smile after applying border border but this also doesn't look nice. Video yengda phajabase yogde haibadi kaino haibadi. Now this serial number, name, class, roll number se. Now roll number, now you can make it bold here. So formatting, we can apply formatting here, can make it bold. You can change the font face, some font face, different font face here. Serial number is not fitted. Set fit with the serial number this minus into class, roll number generate and into piro. Those minor bold LSE bold LS minor or underline to give underline to give underline to the Fazadi. Just select and deselect the underline here, underline auto period. Now roll number 1, 2, 3. If you want to put this in the middle alignment in the horizontal as well as the vertical middle thambiro. CCD left align to raga middle thambiro as well as the middle here. Mana middle na paga. The roll number also. The roll number is mayai tahan jahagadi center hello. Center hello. C0 select obirani. Center that center. So the yengo phajare then CJ select oraga font face amount to be here joina. Now like this we can apply formatting. That is changing the font face from the font size. Also you can change font face, font size, then bold, italic, underline, italic, you can use italic here also. Mind of pen. you can use click here also. Then maming auto maming bold then we apply the name and roll number here to click, and the heading here to bold heading bold then you can apply the border here also. Border so can this be there the border changaga draw border line color also you can choose. Okay, like this pencil sizenaraga sida line color hai click tobirani देखो pencil sizenaraga using the pencil here you can color the lines as well. Before it was black, now it is red. Like this also you can now you can see from here the print preview again. Print preview again say like this. Print preview can smile cell when a border hapaga fazanaba mo smile sema tulapa. Okay, now you can use colors also. Color means what? The heading here you can use color. Heading the color on top. Or you can change to some other color like green. Heading in the green don't wear. And you can put this also to the middle here. Like this you can change the font face, font size to make it the bold, italic, underline, changing the font faces, font size, and adding the border here, and you can add the color of the border also. Okay, next let's see here. After applying border, adding a background color also you can add. Suppose the heading here you can add another background color. Background color now here you can use background color from here. Fill colors now from here you can apply and see. If you want to make this yellow you can click here. Then the next, if you want to make it this sky blue, no, not this is for the text. See the text ke font for background color you have to choose from here like this. And for this also if you want to change it to some gray or something like this. Name of the student, roll number and class now you make it a different color. The blank here, gap here you make a different color, and the heading here you make a different color. Like this you can change the font color of the font face also, and color of the background also. Background ki when semi table ki background ki on also yare background ki color ki or when e make ki color on also. So by then now let's see again here. You go to the office button. This is only the office button, and you go to the print and you go for print preview. Print preview channel is here. See the print preview. The whatever you see on the print preview, it will be printed on a paper. If you want to print on paper for a hard copy printer che the che the print print preview direct but if you apply colors here, your printer should be a color printer. The color printer color printer then only it will print the color here. Otherwise if you use color here sorry if you use color here, and if your whatever you're printing, your printer is black and white printer, it will print this in a black and white color. Blank nangi print of the printer na black and white printer wega nang siya color apply to ragasu nangi printer na black and white printer wedi nang print of matanda only black and white katang tulakani color yawe. But if your printer supports, that is if your printer is a color printer, then if you apply color here also you will print the color. Now this is how we apply border and add a background color wherever you need. Now now let's see the next topic, that is the auto format. How we use auto format. Let's see here. Now auto formatting, let's see. First, when you click on the customize, click access toolbar, is the click over any drop down list on drop down list. You have to go to choose. You have to go to more commands here. More commands, click over any more commands, click on. Now you can see an Excel option here. A dialog box opens here. That is the Excel option dialog box. Now from here you have to choose command. From here you have to choose here all commands here. Now from the all commands, what you have to do is you have to choose here auto format. Now here auto format is the click over any, and you can add here auto format is the add over you can click here. OK. Auto format is thole here. Now see the auto format is thole matungda. Okay, the auto format button will be added to the quick access toolbar. The auto format option is thole is data. Now see here auto format function thola kana step. Select the cell or range of cell where you wish to apply auto format. Season again part click to below. Now see that click to below because auto format. Now go to auto format here. Now just click here and click OK. So and the pan but auto format of the pan beyond mine. Suppose nang see the pan here guys. See click to below see the auto format channel. Now see pan here. OK. My design nang pan with design so the pan here. In auto format season about. When you select select the range of cells or the cell you want to format, and the format only the cell not range of cell to click to view. Now you can click here again here auto format season around. Now choose any of this style from here. If you want this, just click here and click OK. Now it has been applied here. Like this you can apply the auto format option. Now after this we'll go for the formatting of numbers. Number formatting now let's input a number here. Suppose the number I'm input will be 1 0 7 8 7 4 3. Suppose like this. If you input a number here, you have to select this number, then you have to go to the home tab. From the home tab you have to go to the cells group. This is the cells group, and from the cells group you have to go to the format button, and from the format button cells dialog box, this is the click here, select over any, then you have to go to from the home tab in the cells group. You have to go to the format here, then you have to go to the format cells. Format cells now from the format cells here, format cell dialog box will appear here. From the format cell dialog box you have to click on the number here. Numbers is click on the decimal places if I need 2 or 3 4 decimal places. Okay, here let's do it up to 2. Example ni sa PC positive number gina smile ani, negative number gina smile ani. Example ni sa PC जो positive number gina sida decimal place ani putang loba. Then 1000 da koina separator hape comma separator hapeli hape aji. Positive sida 10,743 comma yaude, then decimal point omte yaude. Now hoji decimal point ani bolorji, then separator 1000 jina comma na separator holaji. Now let's click here OK. Now here 10,000 comma 743.00 है decimal place. ꯑꯅꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ decimal place ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ but ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯦꯟꯇꯦꯖ ꯍꯣꯠꯄꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯦꯟꯇꯦꯖ ꯍꯣꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ decimal point ꯀꯌꯥꯕꯨ ꯂꯧꯒꯦ only 2 decimal point ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯂꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ decimal point 2 ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯅꯤ ꯀꯣꯃꯥ ꯍꯥꯞꯅꯤꯡꯉ ꯀꯣꯃꯥ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯤ ꯀꯣꯃꯥ ꯍꯥꯞꯅꯤꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯀꯣꯃꯥ ꯍꯥꯞꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ click ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ format cell ꯆꯪꯉꯅꯤ again you can uncheck this sina check tawba kaweba click tawba lawthokpasina uncheck decimal point ani bo lawre comma yohanbe like this also you can do it and after this let's go for the creating series create tawam yengasi I'll delete this again everything let's remove from here anagi there means we look for see no border I'll remove everything from here okay now now creating series creator which is going to be now I'll show you here now if you want here to write as January January USC now this is in the active cell using Murgalese so the dot see now you when you bring the mouse pointer to here to the right bottom corner here there is a dot here if you bring here the mouse pointer changes to a dark plus on there now you click the left mouse button and hold the mouse button they click draw and hold draw now I'm pressing the left mouse button and I'm holding it then you drag here like this now automatically it will be filled like January February March then March again if you drag to the right here after March comes April so it will come here April May June July like this. Now from June if you drag down here June after June it comes July August September October November then after December again January February like this. Then May before May it's April. Now if you drag upwards like this here May April March February and if you drag down after May it comes June July August September October November December after December is January February like this again sumaina koina autofill handle sizinaraga series se create toba ko bisina you already hana yawraga leijarabani manungda aduna then some pattern nama suppose if I put here 1 and if I give her 10 now the difference is 10 minus 1 is 9 now if you select this board sumaina animal select to below adu se click to sumaina ching matanda you know 9 the difference will be 1 9 10 something like this if you delete here again like this now you can write the table for 3 also if you want 3 1 is 3 3 2 are 6 there is a difference of 3 here 3 difference here so select here if you select and break like this 3 6 9 18 12 15 18 21 24 27 30 36 5 की difference of PG to 5 ampere ni sida 5 ampere di 10 minus 5 is 10 की difference ni pattern do now see autofill handle there is a square dot here you just bring the pointer here thamaga click and drag down 5 10 15 20 25 30 40 35 40 45 50 55 minus then this is 60 maybe 25 tagidi jadi copy to what change my story kayo hagadi sedidi pattern do yaw di ba na sige taw matam na kayo sige na matam da just copy to ba sa man tholakan yo sige sige ina 20 mas may happy ready 15 का 20 का difference ही 5 दे दे सुमाइन ब्रेक आउट से मतलब 20, 25, 30, 35. I pattern to happy raga. Like the name of the month, people smile, we can give here name of the day also. MONDAY, Monday. Raga, click on, or you can drag like this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Mulan. Then Saturday, the geese, one of Chingagadi, Sunday, Mulai, Sunday, the game Harsingadi, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, the game Mataka Singalagadi, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Malam. This is how we use the creating the series. Now, this series create over Matunda AutoSum features and we say I'll delete all this again. Delete already. I'll put some numbers here like 10, 20, like this, and 34, 56, 75, 80, 89, 29, like this. Key numbers in the add to if I want to add all these numbers, okay, you can keep on adding one first number plus second number, then the result will add to this third number, then we'll add this fourth number, fifth number, sixth number, like this. So when you add you can put the result here, result to here. But what we are doing here is, if you want to add these all these things, what you have to do, you have to select this. See, select Obiohana, and after selecting, what you have to do, when sigi number singine when add toraga sigi box the tahangi hagadi sigi cell the tahangi hagadi, you have to click on the cell where you want to put the result, and the result palm from the cell to the click over more, and you have to, this is known as the auto sum button. See, is auto sum button I say okay, because it is hang auto sum button and it tharaga, but in your book is given there auto sum and the thara. Now you can just click here like this. Now after clicking on the AutoSum here, what you have to do is you have to press the enter key from the keyboard. Now I am going to press enter from the keyboard. Enter key press from the sum of this number is displayed here. See number the sum is displayed to magi formula you can see on the formula bar here, equal to sum sum thani bracket open toraga sigi ladiba number 10 jina b3 dagina b11 bo b3 dagina b11 bo loinama add tawre haine b11 na kemte yawdobina ma kemte yawroi 0 ne num lawni duga sida leiba tai mem no yawbina yawriba number singi add tawraga b12 ta answer de thamba. Now again, if you click here like this and you click here auto sum here and press enter key, 34 dagina sidida b5 adi b5 sigi dagina d5 po b5 dagina d5 plus to have, but the cell in b5 only contains 34, whereas cell number c5 and d5 are empty, that is it is taken as 0. See d5 ka c5 ka kemte yawdobni empty web cell ina 0 ne lawre na 34 plus 0 plus 0 di 34 dum ta. Now if I give some number here 10, now it directly changes to 44. Siga and then I can plus over some this we have 34 plus 10 d 44. Now again I'm adding here 10 here and I said 10 ama hapa matanda see 54 I'm on kani give over the only because I didn't move the pointer from here, so the zero hook to the active cell is even here. If I change the active cell to here somewhere, and I click over there, or you can press enter also. I change it 54. 34 plus 10 equal to 54. Okay, like this you can add with whatever number you want. Just if you want to add all these things, you have to click here simply to get the result here, and you press on the auto sum button here. Automatically all the numbers above will be added. Or when you click the pointer here, that is it make if your answer will be displayed here. Now when you click here the AutoSum button here. Whatever number is on the left of this active cell will be added. That is 34, 10, 10 and 54 will be added. After clicking on the AutoSum, you press and enter from the keyboard. The numbers in the now I'll delete this again. I'll add again. Now say let's see here. When I put to the AutoSum here, only this cell is selected. Okay, if you want to select this cell also, you can make it like this. You can select it manually. Then you have to press enter key. That the sum of 34, 10, 10 and 54 is added, and the result is 108. And it is shown in the cell Z5. Okay, G5 ta when click to thambikibani sigi left from the label 34, 10, 10, 54 the add toraga again cell number G5 si lane. Okay, here ends our chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 je koi slider loire. In the next video session class we will start chapter number 8. Chapter number 7 that is more on MS Excel 2010 je loire koi. The next video session class ta chapter number 8 that is more on MS PowerPoint 2010. Okay, now this for PowerPoint I'll keep I explain to practical to chakage hana practical hana explain to mutuna practical ang takuni pajigna like si dum explain tong na practical dum laga na traga only practical ta ga sana like ki to chakage. Okay students, let's stop here for today. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.